السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to cover the remaining part of the grammatical concepts of lesson 5. Inshallah. Other grammatical concepts of lesson 5. Now, while asking a question of whose book, so in Arabic we say Kitabu man. This man is in the place of mudafun ilayh, but it is not majroor because it is indeclinable. It does not decline. It is fixed and it is called as mabniyun in Arabic language. Ismul isharati lilmakani البعيد. It is the noun used to point out to a place which is far. Here this is ismu isharati lilmakani البعيد. Hunaka means over there. Ismu noun, al-ishara indication pointing out, lil-makan for the place, al-ba'idi, ba'idun means far. Mithal, example of hunaka. Aina qalamu Hamidin? Where is Hamid's pen? Huwa alal maktabi hunak. It is on the table over there. Hunaka, over there. Next concept is ismul makan or zarful makan. Noun of place or adverb of place. It is a noun or an adverb of place and the ism following it will be in majroor state. So for example, tahta has been used in lesson 5. So whatever noun, whatever word which will be a noun will follow tahta will be in majroor state. So you can understand by the example, al-kuratu tahta al-maktabi. The ball is under the table. Tahta means under.